Club. This week, we're taking another recipe from the Everything Kids cookbook. Don't forget, if you don't have this book at home, you can always borrow it from your library. But this week, we're going to be cooking chicken. I can hardly wait. I love chicken. I hope you do too. This week's recipe is called Parmesan Chicken Fingers. It is in chapter 5 on page 77. Now to get started, these are the things you're going to need. 1 pound of chicken tenders, a large egg, 1/4 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now we're ready to get started. In a small bowl, we're going to mix together the egg, the milk, one tablespoon of oil, one tablespoon of water, and now we're going to use a whisk to mix it all together. Now if you don't have a whisk, that's okay, you can use a fork. I just happen to have a whisk at my house. Now we're going to pour this mixture over the chicken. Try to cover it all. Now I'm going to take the chicken that's in this mixture over here, make sure it's all wet, and I'm going to put it in the crumbs. Make sure it's all coated well. And I'm going to put it on this clean plate and get it ready for frying. Everyone has to be covered in both mixtures before it's ready to go in the frying pan. And now our chicken tenders are ready to go in the frying pan. We're going to put our stove on medium heat and add those 2 more tablespoons of oil. As soon as the oil starts to heat up, we're just going to give that a moment. Let it heat up, and then we're going to start adding our chicken tenders. Now that the oil has heated it a little bit, I'm going to start putting some of these chicken tenders in the frying pan. And we're going to cook them on either side for about 5 to 7 minutes. Time to turn these over to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, they're nice and golden brown. These are really smelling good now. I can hardly wait. Only a few minutes to go.
Hey Mom, I'm home.
Just in time for chicken fingers. Thanks for cooking with me again this week. I hope your chicken turned out as good as mine did. Have a great week, everyone. See you soon.